Don't forget to subscribe to Ighoud Ceramic Tiles for more high-quality, professional installation videos. Join our growing community of craftsmen, builders, and tile lovers who appreciate real work, real tools, and real results. Your support helps us keep creating and sharing valuable content every week. Bathroom step transformation, granite and ceramic tile installation. In this extensive, in-depth, and highly detailed video from Ighoud Ceramic Tiles, you'll witness a masterclass in craftsmanship and precision as we take on the complete transformation of a bathroom step using two of the most durable and aesthetically refined materials in modern construction, granite and ceramic tile. From the very beginning of the video, you'll be immersed in a silent, cinematic documentation of each stage of the process, designed specifically for viewers who appreciate visual, learning, and high-level construction work. There's no narration, no distracting commentary, just the clear, focused execution of expert hands at work. This is a visual tutorial at its finest. We begin with the initial surface preparation, a crucial step that often goes unnoticed, but is essential for ensuring long-term adhesion and professional results. The step surface is cleaned, measured, and leveled to perfection. Any imperfections or debris are carefully removed, ensuring a stable foundation for both the granite top and the ceramic tile facing. Next, we move into the cutting and preparation of the granite slab. Granite is known for its hardness and durability, but also for being notoriously difficult to work with. Precision here is not just a goal, it's a necessity. Using specialized tools, the granite piece is measured down to the millimeter, then cut cleanly to fit the top surface of the bathroom step. Smooth edges, accurate angles, and a clean finish define this part of the process. The video shows how a seemingly ordinary stone becomes a customized piece of architectural art. After the granite is cut, the adhesion process begins. We show how to apply the correct amount of tile adhesive, spreading it evenly for full coverage, and placing the granite with firm, even pressure to ensure a bond that will last for decades. Watching the placement process, you'll notice how the alignment is checked carefully, multiple times, reinforcing the importance of symmetry, precision, and structure. Once the granite is securely in place, we turn to the vertical face of the step, where ceramic tile installation takes center stage. Here, we see smaller tile pieces carefully selected for color, harmony, and structural compatibility. Each piece is cut precisely and placed using a measured adhesive application, followed by detailed alignment. The video highlights how the joints are adjusted for seamless continuity with the granite top, creating a uniform and elegant finish. Throughout the video, we emphasize the importance of alignment, surface leveling, and water flow management, key aspects especially critical in wet areas like bathrooms. The subtle slope of the granite top, for instance, ensures water won't pool, but rather drains away efficiently, preserving the integrity of both materials over time. One of the most remarkable parts of this video is the final detailing process. After the materials are in place, edges are checked, surfaces are cleaned, and excess adhesive is removed. You'll see polishing techniques, surface wiping strategies, and final touches that elevate the result from simply functional to beautifully finished. There's a strong focus on craftsmanship throughout, and even the smallest gap or corner is treated with the same attention as the central element. If you watch closely, you'll discover countless small techniques that aren't always mentioned in traditional tutorials. The way the craftsmen